Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. Firstly, we discuss the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? The energy possessed by any body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, if a ball is rolling on the ground or a bicycle is moving on the ground, everything which is moving possesses kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. Here m represents the mass of the body and v represents the velocity of the body. Now, what is the potential energy? Potential energy is the energy possessed by the body by virtue of its position, its shape, and its configuration. For example, if we throw this ball upward in the direction, then the position at this peak point it will acquire the potential energy at this peak point, because we have done some work to throw this ball upward in the air. That work done will be stored in this ball in the form of potential energy. So when we this work done which we have done on the ball is against the gravitational pull of the earth, and that work done will be stored in the ball in the form of potential energy. So when a ball is lying at the ground, its potential energy is 0, but as we move up the ball in the air, then it will gain some potential energy, because we are doing some work in moving this ball up in the air. So that work is storing in the ball in the form of potential energy, and the formula of potential energy is mgh. Here m represents the mass, g represents the acceleration due to gravity, and h represents the height up to which we have raised the ball.